ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just ooh, ooh, ooh. What we wanna do tonight. So don't tell me how to act or how I should be. All we wanted is to be free. We don't wanna be.
Ito yung akin, chicken. Yan. Where are you going, boys? Did you bring your surfboard, Sa? Or just the boogie board? Yeah, but what did you bring at the beach? Huh? Boogie boards. Ayan, daming dinner na. Are you gonna press that one? Yeah, that's my chicken.
That's rissoles.
Rissoles. May breadcrumbs siyang konti.
Chicken marinade.
Just here? So, meron tayo dito tangy salad, yung cold salad. And then, potato and coleslaw. So, then ang plate. Chicken and soup. Ito na pala yung Uniqlo. And yung ating siyan dyan. Kitang kids. Uniqlo na shorts. So, yan yung aking chicken. Ha? Yan na yung aming mga boarders. Board and lodging pala dito ang mga bata. Board and lodging po sila. Where's Holly? Can you call Holly? Someone call Holly. Wow, kuya. What you got? 3 kebabs and 1 burger? Or 2? 2 kebabs? How many kebabs do you have? Only 1 for you, bro?
No, I'm just gonna grab a bread for a sausage.
Ah, okay. So, sila, matutulog sila tonight. What you got there, Zach? Steak? You got steak? Wow, Zach.
Wow, pony.
Ang tawag niyo sa akin, pony. Why you call me pony, Zach?
Oh no, pony.
Give it to me, please.
Spicy.
Spicy? I want to try that one, but I'm not gonna get the whole lot. Just try. I know, arty-arty niya. Where's Cade? Is Cade left? He's not staying? Ah, umalis na yung isang friend, si Cade. Ha? Do you want butter?
No thanks.
You don't eat.
Just plain.
Ayaw niya mag-butter. Can you cut me a little piece of pepper, please?
What's Holly doing?
Daddy's phone. And that's too big, Zach. I just want a bite. Just a little bit.
So you want water? Dad, I'll mix it up. Dad.
Thank you.
Anyone sitting here?
Yeah, you can sit there. Sit there.
What did you get? Huh? You got sauce there?
You want
Oh,
sauce?
yeah, please. Is that the right one? No. That one's better here.
What's all your food?
Yeah.
Which one is more? Where? You do it.
Din. Pork and... Jeez. Do you have pork?
Vodka.
La 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 la. That's nice. The pepper is good, huh? Ba niyaw na rin yun?
What can kill you? How? If it hits you here.
No, if I drop it from up there and it goes on your head, you die.
Hi, Maxi.
Oh,
Today again.
No one slept last night.
So, umuwi din sila. So, si Brock, three nights last time. He slept 3 nights here or 2 nights? 3 nights. 3 nights. And then last night you went home and then back today. Diba? Ganun lang sila. Balik-balik lang sila dito hanggat wala pang pasukan. Actually, the pepper is good. The pepper. The pepper is good, ha? Dito na siya. Hiniram niya yung phone ni Daddy. Tumawag siya kay Veronica. Kasi kanina, nag-uusap sila sa phone ko nung nasa bahay kami. Home?
when was your birthday?
Yeah, it's a mosquito bite.
It's chicken.
Told you if you shouldn't have opened the flag. That is not mozzies. They're chicken pox.
No, it's not.
Definitely.
You want this? Can I have a little bit?
Do you want one?
No. Just a little bit. Yeah, thank you.
What's that steak?
Oh, it's chicken.
What's this steak?
It's chicken?
No, that's mozzies.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a mosquito bite. Actually, masarap yung ano,
Oh, the sauce is there.
yung pepper. Yep.
Got butter out?
No. Dropped in one in. Butter.
Why you don't eat salad, bro?
This is white. Shut up, Zach. I need that. Or that other stuff.
What do you eat? Do you eat green?
Yeah.
No.
Salad zone?
Yeah, well, in a minute.
Close.
Why you get the end of the bread?
Zach, pick that up quick.
You get the end one.
And
Yeah, the crust.
here's the crust.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, the crust is on the top. No, that's not the
That's,
crust.
yeah, here, the top one.
Oh yeah, this too. But the second one.
She'll be
You
right, man.
did it.
Yeah. I don't like the crust bit. I only like that bit on toast.
Baba, head over your plate.
What's over here?
Gotta get my full middle.
Oh, you don't like it? Thank you. Ah, you just want to give it to me because I like it. Tapos na yung mga kasama kong kumain. Ako na lang natitira dito.
No.
And si Zach, trinay niya yung chicken masarap. Ayun, balik-balik na siya. Nakalinis na rin si Jan. Wala na. Malinis na dito. Ayan sila. Ayan sila, naglalaro na. Welcome. Zach. Zach, please.
Do you want a Magnum?
Do we have?
Yeah.
Okay, please. Ay, lalo tayo magigain dito. May pamagnum. Oh, plain one.
No, it's double caramel. That's good. I promise. It's not a little bit caramel. I'm having one.
You're having one?
Okay, food.
Thank you. Ayan, double caramel. Thanks, Zach. Diba? Nakikain na tayo. May decide pa tayo. Ako, doon ako sa bahay natutulog, guys. Pero natulog naman ako dito before Christmas or New Year. Yeah, before Christmas and New
Okay,
Year.
what about it, Christmas?
Before New Year.
Okay, what about it?
And New Year.
What?
Nung pag-alis ata nila race, natulog niya ako. Then, pagbalik ko galing Allendale, dito na ako natutulog. Doon na ako natutulog sa bahay.
Good.
This is new. First time ko itong ito eh.
Good, isn't it?
Yeah, but it's dark.
No?
Yeah. What's that? Show me. Show me, bro. What you got? Show me. Yung sa kanya may ano, may si Holly. How about Mac? Let me see.
I got red and I guess red.
How about you, bro?
I
He
got,
got yellow.
yeah, I guess yellow. I
Yellow.
got red.
You have to guess what
Yeah,
color.
like the
The
thing.
bubble gum.
Yeah.
What do you call that one?
Bubble blue.
Bubble
Yeah.
You call that Bubble Bill. Bubble Bill. Ayan, tawa sila oh. Bubble Bill. May O.
How'd you eat half of it and I ate that much?
Because he's him.
Ang aking ganito. May caramel,
Oh, your chin gone red.
chocolate, and vanilla.
Go look in the mirror.
Wait, let me see.
What's that?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Purple. Really? You know you can eat the stick. No, you can't. Yes, you can. It's vegan.
Buwang to siya.
Take
Pwede daw kainin ni Kuya yung steak ng kanyang
Oh, yeah?
ice cream kasi vegan. Is it vegan, sa?
It's vegan free.
Vegan free.
Plant based.
Plant-based.
Oh, I think you know what that means, Zach. I do.
Oh, it's not Kuya.
It's normal.
What, can you? Some of...
Stick.
Yeah, but... Tinry din ni Kuya, why some of them?
Try and eat the stick. I did. I did.
Yeah, you
Wait
did.
on the bottom.
Oh, sa inyo?
You gotta hold the gum or it'll freeze.
I don't like the chocolate.
That's sick. Joe, mine had it.
What's that?
I don't like chocolate on Buffalo Bills.
What? It's only in the edges.
It's nice. It's like double.
So the wrapper, there's caramel in it. Oh yeah, look at
Yeah.
What?
Nice, no? That's Zachary. Nagugas ng klase dyan. Siya nagugas ng mga kainan. Yung mga ano lang naman, tinidor. Tsaka kutsilyo. Kutsilyo. Uwi na kami.
Are you going now?
Yep. See ya tomorrow.
Okay, look past me now.
Maglagay muna si dyan ng tubig kasi may notice na ako dyan na yung aking pang windshield, mababa na raw yung tubig. So, lagyan lang ni Johnny Boy. Ang oras is 7:05. It's 7:05. Pinost ko pala yung ginawa ni Holling banana bread, guys. Ang sarap. Gustong-gusto ni Jan. Sabi ni Jan, your banana bread, Holly, is better than mommy. Pero, recipe ko naman yun, oy.
So soft.
Very soft. Nasa na yun?
Can I have some more, Mom?
Yeah, if you want. Siguro, ayan siya. Oh. Siguro gawan ko siya ng cooking serye dito sa Facebook. Kasi ano lang siya, saglit lang. Ganyan lang. Oh. Kasi gustong-gusto niya magsalita. Do you really wanna talk while you're cooking or baking? Yes. Yeah, gustong-gusto niya. So, dito ko na lang siya gawan. Kasi, yung ano niya, yung YouTube niya, hindi pa natin nagagawan. Kasi marami tayong ini-edit din. Is it alright now?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, wait. Again, babe? Ayan, okay na. May tubig na.
Ah,
Okay.
play them.
Alright.
So,
See you. Love you. Can you talk? See ya. Bahay na pala kami, guys, ni Holly. And, magla-live ako. Magla-live tayo. Ako pala. Kasi meron din ako mga orders. Wow. Yeah, may mga orders naman ako via messenger. Meron silang gusto. Like, eto may dalawang order na Lumi. And, Nikoshi Beauty Talks. Beauty White. And, Nikotime. May Nikotime pa ba ako? Wala na ata. And ano pa ba? Matcha. So, mag-live ako, guys. And, hopefully next week, dumating yung aking package na in-order natin para mag-restock ulit ako. Kasi, yung, ano yun, yung Wellness Whisper, ang ganda nung so, mayroong mga orders noon. So, hopefully dumating. And, yeah, na-ship na kahapon. Na-ship daw kahapon. So, next week na yun darating dito. Kasi 5 days lang naman siya kasi DHL. So, end ko na yung vlog. Yun na yung vlog natin. And, available pala to sa akin, guys. Yung ating mga Naruto. Ayan. Kung gusto nyo din. So, yun na guys yung vlog natin. Thank you. And, nakapag-edit tayo. Ang hindi ko nagawa ay yung pagtutupi. But, bukas gagawin ko yan. So, yun na guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. And, magmay na rin kayo kung taga dito kayo sa Australia. And, kahit saan, basta wag lang sa Pinas. So, yun na guys. Bye!
Because I think I do want you now.